Oh, sir. I need you to fly me to melatonin. I have a long-ass day ahead.
Okay, sir, I can fly in Melon UH2. It will take 45 minutes. Which that is if there is no air traffic, haha.
Wait. Who are you?
I am flying, not you, bitch.
Finish that fucker.
Get finished, bitch.
Alright, here we are boarding.
Okay, you'll hurry up.
You've got to be fucking kidding me.
Okay, there's lots of leg room.
One second, just a slight malfunction.
Warning. TCAS. Barura. Use.
Don't worry, everything is fine.
Are you sure? The anti-collison system is disabled?
Hey, whatever, not like we are gonna collide.
Eh, you're right, but what is more important? Our safety, no? Okay, now I have to prepare.
Wow. It sure
Descend
is
now.
nice headed.
Descend now. Traffic. Traffic.
Rah, I can't descend.
Collison.
Oh shit, oh fuck, I can't control anything. I'm sorry, Angelina. Come on, please.
Oh my god, those two helicopters collided.